Level 1, the desktop app. You head over to ComfyUI.org and press the download button. You press on download for Windows. You pick a location and press save. You press on the downloaded file and run it. You select the folder that you want to install ComfyUI at. Once it's done, press finish. You're now greeted with the ComfyUI starter screen. Press get started. Select AMD ROCm. Select where the ComfyUI files should be. Disable usage metrics tracking and press install. And in a few seconds, the ComfyUI server is starting up and you will see the beautiful ComfyUI. And there you have it. This is level 1 of installing ComfyUI on AMD GPUs. Now on to level 2, using the portable install. You head over to the ComfyUI GitHub and search for Windows Portable. Select the experimental portable for AMD GPUs. Or head to the releases and select the ComfyUI Windows Portable for AMD. Install it at a preferred location. Once installed, you extract the downloaded files. Press extract all. Once extracted, you select the extracted folder and run the AMD GPU batch script. Select run. And just like that, once you go to this URL, you will see ComfyUI all set up. Level 3, the manual installation. So go ahead and create an empty directory and open the terminal. All you have to do is git clone the repository. If you don't have git installed, you go over to Google and search git install and select your operating system and press click here to download. Once you have cloned ComfyUI, you have to change directory into the ComfyUI folder that's just been cloned. Inside, you can list out the files by pressing ls. And here you have to create a virtual environment using Python. To do that, first you have to check your Python version by doing py-version. My version is Python 3.13.3. You can also list out your versions by doing py-list. It's recommended to use 3.11 or 3.12 for ComfyUI, so I'm going to be using Python version 3.12. py-v 3.12-m venv. This will create the virtual environment. Now we need to activate the virtual environment. We do that by doing /venv scripts activate. And there you have it, you have activated the virtual environment. And now we will be installing the ROCm PyTorch versions. Over here in the GitHub repo, select the ROCm version based on your architecture. I have the 9070 XT, therefore I will use RDNA 4. So I will select this and copy paste it inside my virtual environment and press enter. Once the correct PyTorch ROCm is installed, install the remaining dependencies. And now to finally run ComfyUI, you do python main.py. And once again, once you head to the URL, you'll find ComfyUI up and ready. So there you have it, 3 levels of installing ComfyUI on AMD GPUs, ranked from easiest to hardest. And now there is a bonus step that I'll show you guys. Bonus step, step 4, using my ComfyUI install script. You press git clone this repo over here and press enter. You will end up with the ComfyUI install script. You press /setup ComfyUI AMD selection.ps1. Press enter. You will come up with this error. Now you have to paste in exactly this and run the file again. Now you will select the GPU that you have. I'll press 3 and it will go over the same steps in the manual install. It's just way faster. If you have an integrated GPU, you would change the settings, but if not, press no. And finally, going ahead to the same link, you will see ComfyUI all ready for you to generate images and videos on your AMD GPU. And now you might think, which step should I go with? If you want an easy install and not messing up with the Python virtual environments or not even touching the terminal, use the desktop version, the first step that we did. If you want a bit more flexibility and an easier step, use the portable install, where it's just one click to run ComfyUI. If you are more tech savvy and want more features, use the manual installation. This will let you install the custom manager and the custom nodes, and you have more control. So there you have it, guys. These are 4 ways to install ComfyUI on AMD GPUs from 0 to a full installation. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. And if you have any issues, join the Discord and I will personally help you get this running fast and easy. Thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for the upcoming videos where I'll try to optimize image to video using the AMD GPU.